guys, so I got a package in, and I think this is my prize from I Dream of Disney 21. I have not opened it yet, but I did cut it. And I don't have a clue what's inside because I took y'all's advice and went with the mystery prize. So, what do you think? What's it gonna be? Well, I guess I could have opened it anyway. All right, yes. And it is from I Dream of Disney 21. All right. I'm going to pause. Got a very nice card, or handwritten card. Make sure you subscribe to her and her Instagram and YouTube channel. This was for her 2,000 subscriber giveaway. All right, what is it? What is it? Oh. All right, another box. All right. I feel like it's one of those gags where you just keep getting smaller and smaller. Ah, there we go. All right. It's wrapped again. She did a good job with this. This is going to be... Oh, it's a 50th anniversary shirt. This is nice. And she got a big size. Where did she find something that was actually big? I want to know what her secret is in finding right sizes. Oh, but that's really cool. I love it. I love it. And it's the one I wanted. It really is. This is exactly, I wanted the partners. I think I probably said that in the video. Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet. It's a magnet. That's awesome. Thank you again, I Dream of Disney 21. Everybody make sure to follow her. Check out her YouTube page. I thought I'd show off the shirt. Fits perfectly. I love it. And I missed this pin. So this was also in there. It is the 50th anniversary iridescent pin. This is so cool. And ta-da! The Partners Magic Band Plus, which is exactly the one I wanted. Yeah. Thank you, I Dream of Disney 21. This is so cool.